Well, today across Central Oregon, we had a little dip in temperatures. We've had a mixture of sunshine and clouds, but by tomorrow, on the backside of a weak front, we're looking at a bigger cool down. Hey everyone, Darrell here from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center with a quick look at your most reliable forecast. And right now, across the high desert, all these cameras are courtesy of the Oregon Hazards Lab, and each one shows similar conditions, a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Now, temperatures, on the other hand, are running in the 60s for the most part, with a few 70s out there. That represents a 2 to 10 degree drop in temperatures in just 24 hours, but we're not done cooling off. It's a cold front pushing through the high desert tonight. That's what's bringing this extra cloud cover, but it's going to be a dry system, so at best a few sprinkles. Tonight we fall into the 30s with a few 40s. By tomorrow, highs are going to be in the 50s and 60s across Central Oregon, and that will be one of the coolest days out of the next 7. Then it happens again Monday and Tuesday. Here's what we're looking at. Through the overnight hours, we catch additional cloud cover. By tomorrow, maybe a few sprinkles. The mountains absorb most of that moisture. And then by Sunday, starting off sunny, by the afternoon, partly cloudy. That's in advance of our next system, which really rolls in Sunday night going into Monday. That is going to be the wetter system that brings a bigger dip in temperature. So for this weekend, we are looking at a cooler Saturday because of this low pushing through the Pacific Northwest. Then more sunshine, high pressure. Oh yeah, 60s and 70s, just a little below average for this time of the year. Then we turn our attention to that next system. As it rolls in, it brings more rain and drops us back down into the 50s and 60s again. So ultimately this weekend, not too much in the way of precipitation, but by early next week, a lot more precipitation, a lot more rain is in the planner. So for tonight, we're talking 30s and 40s. Saturday, we're talking 50s and 60s. That will be one of two different cool downs because we rebound Sunday. It gets cooler and wetter and gusty Monday and Tuesday. Then at the end of our 7-day planner, more sunshine and our next warming trend. So that's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News.